Some say they're myths, others swear they're real. From the freezing peaks of the Himalayas to the dark waters of Loch Ness, these 10 legendary creatures will make you wonder, what's really out there? Known as the abominable snowman, the Yeti is said to roam the Himalayas, standing up to 2.4 meters tall, or around 8 feet, and covered in white or brown fur. Locals tell stories going back centuries, and explorers have even found giant footprints in the snow. Nessie has been spotted in Scotland's Loch Ness since the 6th century. Descriptions vary, but many claim it's up to 12 meters long or about 40 feet, with a long neck and small head. Sonar readings have picked up mysterious shapes deep in the lake. In North America's wilderness, Bigfoot sightings describe a creature about 2 meters tall, or 6.5 feet, covered in dark hair, walking upright. Thousands of sightings have been reported, but no body has ever been found. Legend says the Kraken could drag entire ships into the deep. Descriptions match giant squids which can grow up to 13 meters or 43 feet and weigh nearly 450 kilograms or about 1,000 pounds. First reported in Puerto Rico in the 1990s, the goat sucker is blamed for draining livestock blood. Witnesses describe it as reptilian, around 1.2 meters or 4 feet tall, with spines running down its back. In the Congo Basin, stories tell of a creature resembling a small sauropod dinosaur, up to 10 meters long or 33 feet, lurking in rivers and swamps. Native American legends speak of a bird so large it could carry away a person. Some sightings describe wingspans of over 6 meters or 20 feet, matching the largest prehistoric birds ever known. This winged creature is said to haunt New Jersey's Pine Barrens, about 1.8 meters or 6 feet, tall with hooves, bat-like wings, and a piercing scream that chills the blood. Aboriginal legends speak of the bunyip, a water-dwelling predator in Australia's swamps and rivers. Descriptions vary, some say it's dog-faced, others horse-faced, often 2 meters or about 6.5 feet long. Seen in Point Pleasant, West Virginia in the 1960s, the Mothman stands about 2 meters or 6.5 feet, tall with huge wings and glowing red eyes. Sightings often happen before disasters, giving it a chilling reputation. From icy peaks to swampy rivers, these legends blur the line between myth and reality. Which creature do you think could be real? Let us know in the comments, hit that like button, and share this with a fellow mystery hunter. This is the Random Fact Factory, feeding your curiosity one fact at a time.